What's going on, guys? So are you struggling to grow your TikTok following? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get your first 1,000 TikTok followers in this video. I'm literally going to show you all the ways I was able to grow my TikTok following to over 1,000 in literally a few weeks. So I'm literally going to show you from beginning to end. I'm going to show you 8 steps on how you can grow your TikTok following, but more specifically, how to grow your TikTok for your first 1,000 TikTok followers as fast as possible. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. Guys, and if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus on how I make over $10,000 a month using and leveraging TikTok. You can see a few of my screenshots here. This is just a few of the passive income sources that I generate using TikTok. So if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you a bonus on how I use TikTok to generate money using affiliate marketing, guys. All right, guys. So like I said, if you're brand new to my channel, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. But of course, I have a ton of videos on how to start an online business and how you can build your brand and following using YouTube and TikTok. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to give you guys 8 simple steps you guys can follow and implement to start growing your TikTok following. All right, number 1, guys, this is going to be the foundational stuff. Obviously, it's not like the the fun hacks, right? Everyone wants the hacks on how we can grow to 1,000 TikTok followers, but foundation is key, guys. This is something that a lot of people overlook. So I want you guys to really take the foundation and set it up correctly, okay? Because what you got to understand is when people first discover you on the For You page, or they they find you on a video, they're going to go to your profile, okay? They're going to go to your profile and they're going to see what you're about. You want to have a nice profile picture, and you want to answer these 3 main questions, okay? Who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. The 3 W's or the 3 P's, as I mentioned in all my videos, okay? Or you want to answer, who you are as a person, how you can help them, solve their problem, and what your promise is to them, okay? Basically, like for me, right, I tell them who I am, right? I'm a 6-figure affiliate marketer, and I'm helping them leave the 9 to 5, and that's how I can help them, right? So that's basically what you want to give them. That's your foundation, guys. A lot of people, I've had over 50,000 people as far as go to my profile, so they're going to see my profile, and that's when they choose to follow you or not. So you got to have that foundation correct, okay? I know we want to get into the hacks on how we can grow from 0 to 1,000 followers, and we'll get to that. I'm going to show you, but the foundation is important, okay? Number 2, guys, now we're going to get into some of the fun stuff here, okay? We want to hijack our competitors' traffic, okay? So what I like to do is look for hashtags and see what they're ranking for, and see the hashtags we can use as well, okay? So here's some of the hashtags that I use for my specific following, right? So affiliate marketing, hashtag affiliate marketing for beginners. So you can see on the bottom here, you can see job tips, side hustle, okay? What you do is you want to find your top 10 TikTok channels, right? The ones that you want to grow, like the ones that you want to aspire to be like. You want to go to their videos and start modeling what they're doing, okay? So for example, here's someone that I follow here, okay? 165,000 followers. He amazing entrepreneur, guys. So what I like to do is go to his following here and see which videos are growing and are getting tons of views, right? So for example, let's just say this one here, right? So we can go to this one. You can see what type of hashtags they're using, right? We want to look at the hashtags. We also want to look at the captions that he's using, right? So what is he using in the caption here, and then also what is he using on the hashtags? You want to start writing these type of things down, right? So for example, this is what I started doing when I first started, when I was trying to grow from 0 to 1,000 TikTok followers. You can see that I got a ton of hashtags. So this is your research. This is really important as well, okay? Not only you want to look at the hashtags and the captions, what I like to look at is what sound is he using, right? What exact sound is he using? In this case, he didn't use a specific sound. But you want to start looking at those patterns, right? See what people are doing. You want to model success, guys. You want to model what the people have already done, like the people that you want to aspire to be like, okay? So I always say choose the top 10, influencers that you want to be like, and model what they're doing, okay? That's really going to help you in, growing your following to 1,000 followers, okay? All right, number 3 is we want to get on the right trends, okay? So I'm talking music trends, right? If you've been on TikTok, you would know that you would notice like the same song come in every couple posts, right? You would notice it's a music trend, or not only a music trend, it's a sound trend, right? So for example, if I go to mine here, this one right here, okay? Let me see if I can play it for you guys. Okay. It's this sound here in the shirt, and I have no idea what it is. All I noticed was it was trending. Okay, so you want to add these trends to your songs, okay, to your post, okay. This is really going to help you, okay. Same thing with this one here, okay. So if I can go to this one, same sound, different video, but different, same sound, okay. So you want to note, you want to understand the trends that are happening, okay. I want you guys to go through the For You page and you'll start noticing these sounds, okay. It's really, really important that you notice these trends happening in real time, okay. And then you want to implement that as soon as possible, okay. Now, the only problem with this is I don't want you scrolling, I don't want you just wasting time on TikTok. The goal is to be a producer, not a consumer. You want to consume a little bit so you can kind of see the trends, but you don't want to always be consuming, okay? So just kind of want to throw that out there. Now, another thing is the hashtag trends, right? You want to see the hashtag trends that are trending, right? Especially in your niche, right? So, it could be like a specific hashtags that your influencer is using, the influencers you're following. Make sure you're following those hashtag trends. Also, dance trends, guys. You can put certain dance trends inside of your videos. That's really going to help you grow as well. And then, of course, voice or music or sound trends. Okay, same thing I kind of mentioned. Music is like the actual song, right? But the voice trends is like maybe something that went viral, right? Just a viral type of sound that someone mentioned, but now it's going viral, right? So there's a ton of these voice trends as well. And this is something that you can hop on. So any type of trends are going to do very, very well on TikTok. TikTok loves trends, okay? So if you can get on those, they're typically going to show you to the For You page a lot more, okay? Okay, number 4, we get into the content creation, okay? So this is when we actually, we did our research. Now we got to start creating content based on the research that we did, right? We found the trend. We found the certain hashtags. What do we do now, right? So we got to create at least 3 to 10 posts per day. When I first started my TikTok, I was doing like closer to 10 posts a day because I was trying to grow as fast as possible. Now, if you can't do like really good, high quality posts, then don't do 10. Maybe do 2 or 3 per day. But you want to do high quality posts. If you can do 10, that's even better. The more you post, typically on TikTok, the faster you grow. That's what I've noticed. I've helped grow multiple TikTok accounts. I have multiple accounts myself. And this is what works, okay? So you want to be posting 3 to 10 posts per day, but your video should have 3 of these essential elements, okay? You want to have a hook in the beginning. So before you even get started with the video, you want to have some type of hook, okay? So if I go to any of these videos here, I'm going to show you one that did very, very well, okay? This one did 67,000 views.
This is part 3 in how I make 1,000.
Okay, so right away is the hook, right? I show them a screenshot of one, of a solution I have for them, how to make $1,000 per day. So the hook can be in the video itself. It can be in the caption. It really doesn't matter. All a hook is you get them to stop scrolling. Okay, so that's the main thing with a hook. Okay. Also, you want to have a story or some type of value in the meat of the video, right? So the hook, it just gets them to stop scrolling, and then you want to have a story or some sort of value. Okay, so in this case right here, I'm showing them how I make $1,000 per day, right? In a 14-second video.
High ticket offer to sell. Don't worry,
Real
you don't
quick.
need any experience at all for this.
Okay, so now that I have a story or a value, right? Then at the end of that, I have an offer or a call to action. Okay, now an offer is more if you have like something to sell. I know most of the people watching this video, you're trying to learn how to grow to 1,000 followers, so you still want to have a call to action that's to follow you, right? So guys, follow me if you guys want more videos like this, right? Or like this video, or comment down below, right? You want people to engage with you. And you want to specifically tell them what you want them to do at the end of the video, okay? It's really important that you have a call to action, right? And it doesn't always mean, hey, go click the link in my bio. It can mean, hey guys, go follow me, right? Or go comment on this video, something like that, okay? So you want to have a clear call to action. And with all your content, I always like to have some sort of sound, some sort of caption, and hashtag, okay? It's really important that you have this so you can grow to that first 1,000 followers on TikTok, okay? All right, number 5 is evergreen content versus trending content, okay? I talk a lot about evergreen content and trending, okay? Or I'm sorry, I talk a lot about trending, but I don't talk much about evergreen, but you wanna have both, okay? The trending content is the content that gets people to notice you, right? That's the stuff that gets people to stop scrolling and follow you. Now, the evergreen content is different, okay? This is gonna be the content for your actual followers, okay? So for example, I have longer videos that are maybe like a minute long, right? Like very long videos that typically won't go viral because TikTok doesn't like those super long videos. But you want to have those long evergreen videos to kind of build trust with your audience. Okay, so you notice here, let me see, there's one video I did where it was like a minute long. I can't remember which one it was, but I think it was this one here. I can't remember which one, but basically what I'm saying is you want to have those trending videos, but you also want to have the evergreen content where it's a longer type video, but it provides value, more value for your followers. Okay, so that's the biggest difference. So for example, let's see, I have this one here. Okay, it did 60,000 views. This is more of a trending type video, right? I'm using trending hashtags, trending sounds, trending type video, right? But then I have other videos like this, maybe not as many views, but this is going to be more valuable for the actual followers. Okay, so you're really going to build that relationship with those followers. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, number 6 is consistency always wins, guys. This is huge. Okay, but with YouTube, with TikTok, with your online business, it really doesn't matter. If you're consistent, you're gonna grow your following, you're gonna grow your business, you're gonna grow everything that you're trying to do, right? And one of my favorite books that I've ever read in my life, and that really changed my life, and actually it helped me quit my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer, was The Compound Effect. This is one of the main books that helped me stay consistent, because when you're not consistent, like if you maybe post a couple TikTok videos and then wait a month and another couple TikTok videos, it's really inconsistent. You want to be able to be consistent, and you start growing. It might grow 1% more every day, and then another 1%, and then another 1%. You're just growing consistently, right? That's how I grew my YouTube channel. That's how I grew my affiliate marketing business from $0 to $10,000 per month, and that's now growing consistently. Right now, I'm trying to get to $50,000 a month, and it's just everything is the same. This book is really changed my life. Okay, so I want you to read this book if you have time, and it's really going to help you grow anything that you're trying to grow in life. Okay, in this case, obviously we're trying to grow to the first 1,000 followers, but be consistent, guys. Whatever consistency is for you, 1 a day, 2 a day, 3 a day, as long as you're consistent, it really doesn't matter. Okay, number 7 is using hashtags to grow. So we did our research, but I want to talk about how we actually use our hashtags to actually grow on TikTok. Okay, so when you're first starting out, let's just say you have 10 followers, right? You want to use these longer tail hashtags. So for example, in my niche, affiliate marketing has 8.8 million views, right? Now you may think like, okay, I'm going to use all these super big hashtags so I can get more viewers, right? It doesn't really work that way. If you guys have seen my algorithm video, you know that you want to use longer tail hashtags with less views, and then as you start ranking with those, then you can start using the bigger ones, right? So for example, this one here, okay, affiliate marketing for beginners, it's longer, it has less views, but this is more niche down, right? It's more specific, okay? So you want to use the ones with less, okay? How to start an online business, 1.4K instead of like 8 million, right? So you want to use those smaller hashtags and then just kind of step it up from there. Hopefully that makes sense. I go way deep into that into my algorithm video. Go check that out on YouTube, guys. All right. Number 8 is engage with all your followers. Okay, there's a few ways you can do this. The first one is obviously just reply back to all your comments. Okay, literally every comment that let me see if I can find one here. And I get a lot of comments. Let me see if I can find one. I think it was this one here. I'm not logged in, but I have 57 comments. I literally I took my time and I commented. I replied to every single person on that because you want to be able to engage with your people, with your followers, right? And that's going to help you grow your following. It's going to help get more engagement. TikTok's going to show your stuff to even more people because it shows that you're engaged, okay? Not only does it, create that relationship with your following, it shows that you're active in your community, and TikTok's going to show your stuff to more people, okay? All right, not only reply, but you can do video replies. Now, you don't want to do this with every single person because that's going to take you, like hours and hours, depending on how big your channel is or your following. But video reply is really important, okay? And what that is, okay, if someone replies on your videos, you can actually go and do something called a video reply, where you can reply to that specific comment using a video, okay? So for example, this one right here, okay?
This is a great question.
So see how it has someone's comment in here. I can actually go and reply to that person, okay? Now that's really cool because it gets people to engage even more because, maybe they're excited that you may comment on their videos. Now I try to do this as much as possible. I get, hundreds of comments every single day, but I try to do it as much as I can, right? So for example, all these are video replies. This one here.
So I apologize for going fast on.
And then this one right here.
Am I showing this?
This one right
Someone
here.
said there's no passive income.
I try to reply to every single comment I can, okay? Last thing here is not only the video reply, but you can also create content based on the feedback, right? So you may be getting a lot of feedback, and maybe one question is being commented multiple times, right? We'll create a video about that because that's really good feedback, and people want to actually know what to do in that certain case, right? So, you know, if you start getting a lot of questions on a certain topic, create a video about it, right? And that's going to really help create that community. It's going to help you create more engagement, and then TikTok's going to show your stuff to more people on the For You page, and it just blows up from there, okay? So all engagement does is help you grow your following, okay? Now, those are the 8 tips to help you grow from 0 to 1,000 extremely fast. And I promise you, if you follow these steps, you will grow on TikTok. It's going to happen, and stay consistent, you will grow. Now, my bonus, guys, is how to make money using TikTok, okay? That's the main goal of my YouTube channel. That's the main goal of having a TikTok is, you know, how to actually monetize it, right? How do we make over $10,000 a month with TikTok? Well, what I do, guys, is called affiliate marketing, okay? And I basically sell other people's products for a commission. Now, anyone can do this. Anyone can have a TikTok following and start making money. It's really, really simple. All you gotta do is drive traffic from TikTok to a product you wanna promote, and then basically we can just sell that product using TikTok. Now, you need 1,000 followers to have a link in your bio, but if you don't have 1,000 followers, you can always say, hey, DM me on Instagram. You can add a short bit.ly link, like just a random link in your video where they can go and, you know, follow that link. You can do that as well. Once you get 1,000 followers, though, it's really easy because all you gotta do is put a link in your bio and then start promoting a product. Okay, so if you want to learn how to, you know, monetize your TikTok, how to start making passive income online, we have a 15-day challenge, guys, where we're literally going to show you how to monetize and how to start making money online. This is what helped me leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer and start my passive income business. Okay, this is what I do full time now. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and this is what I do to, you know, grow, you know, help grow my income. And it grows exponential, just like I talked about the compound effect, right? This is growing exponential. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, I'm going to link this down below in the description, in the YouTube description, on how you can grow, you know, how you can grow a passive income business using affiliate marketing. Literally going to walk you through step by step in this training here. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. But I hope these steps, guys, I hope these tips on how to grow your TikTok following, you know, 8 simple steps, is of value to you guys. If you guys have any questions at all, please comment down below. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, the main goal is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. We'll see you guys soon, and God bless.